So hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing some products that were sent to me from BeReady.com. So the first thing we're going to be reviewing today is the Energizer Power Keep backpack that they sent me. This was a main item that I was excited about because, as you can see, it has a solar panel. So it's a really great backpack, but I have some issues. So let's start with the cons, and then let's go to the pros. So some of the cons about this backpack is it does have a kind of flimsy handle, and like I don't really like how the solar panel is kept in with these like little straps. Besides that, everything else is pros. So some pros about this backpack are that one, it has a solar panel, and it's kept in by this Velcro and these little straps on the bottom. And the solar panel itself, I haven't been able to test it really well, but it seems to be working great. I had an issue with the cord. I think one, like, it kind of bent, so I just got a different one. Besides that, everything works pretty well. I'd advise you, if you're going to use this backpack in the long term, to get like a stronger metal fiber cord so it'll last longer. Plus, if you're an Apple user, you're going to have to buy the cable because it only comes with a standard micro USB. Some other features of this backpack is like the ergonomics on it. I really like how this backpack feels on your back. It has two straps. The bottom strap, or like the hip strap, it's a little small. I mean, if you're a more fit person than I am, you probably could wear it, but I'm just a teen, and this is marketed to adults. So I think if you're a little bigger set person, I don't know if this backpack's for you, if you intend to use the hip mount. But besides that, this chest strap works fine. I didn't even have to adjust it. So it feels really nice. I could take a hike in this if I wanted to. So some other things inside of this backpack include lots of sections. As you can see, there's a lot of like little pockets and stuff to keep your stuff in. And Alright, so this is everything that's in the BeReady 3-day survival kit, emergency food supply. So some of the contents include these little snacks right here that are these are cookies, and this is a chocolate flavored bar. And you also have some water packs that are good if you need to drink some, if you don't have any spare water, or you can use it in your oatmeal packs that need some water or need liquid. And then we have this little pamphlet that they included. This is Florida, and since BeReady.com is a Florida-based company, I expect them to have Florida survival kits stuff. So yeah, it tells you a lot about what you should bring and prepare for, and yeah. So then they include 3 of these Blue Line XRMEs. These have sort of the same things as this in them, little brown packets, food, so yeah. And then lastly, probably my favorite thing is these oatmeals. So the oatmeals are like, they're bags you can keep in your backpack or whatever, and there's little food pouches inside, and you can actually heat up the food once you pour water in there, and it's so great. I took one with me on a school field trip. And whole risk of burning activated. Me and my friend cooked it outside in the rain, and it actually worked. So yeah, you just need any liquid really. It's so great. So I'm gonna get in, gonna start eating some of this stuff, and I'll tell you guys how it tastes. So, alright, so to start off, I'm going to be trying some of these snacks right here. Just rip right into it. So I'm going to eat it. It looks kind of like fudge, kind of. You can definitely feel the taffy-like texture. Has these little kernels of what I believe to be like oats or something. It's pretty good, I guess. I'd eat it as a snack. So I'd rate this one 7 out of 10 probably. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna try is one of these water packets. Tastes like regular water. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna try is one of these Blue Line XRMEs. Alright, so I got it open. I'd recommend that you carry around like a survival tool with you, or at least find a screwdriver or something. And there's a lot of stuff in here. So there's another energy bar. There are some crackers, which are these, look like kind of like club crackers, I guess. There are also some peanuts too. There's this little booklet, I believe, or something right here. Oh yeah, it has a flameless heater instructions. The oatmeals are pretty much the exact same thing. So yeah, there's like orange juice, orange flavored juice, and this pizza slice. So I'm gonna try the pizza slice since BeReady does sell these individually. So alright, so we got a little whatever that is, and yeah, it looks very appetizing. Very reminiscent of what you would get in a school cafeteria. Maybe a little bit better. I gotta rate that one at about probably an 8 or 9 out of 10. It's actually pretty nice. I'm gonna be reviewing the oatmeals right here. They're pretty tasty. I took one, as you might have heard, to do a school field trip, and it tasted really nice. Took the oatmeal one. Yeah, it sounds like this. They take about 3 to 5 minutes. Personal experience, I'd say more about 6 to 7 minutes. Probably my favorite one was probably the vegetable stew, but yeah, they come in all sorts of flavors. There's like vegetarian, chicken, like pork, beef, everything you want in an MRE. Yeah, they're pretty much weightless. You can carry like 3 or 4 in a backpack when you're going hiking if you want to do a overnight, I guess. So I really suggest you get some. Actually pretty cheap too, only $5.50 I believe per meal in the pack of 24 you can buy. I'd probably rate these a 9 or a 10 out of 10. Pretty much probably the best self-heating food you can get. Yeah, they're like really great. So much variety. So that concludes my review of BeReady's products, and hope you all have a nice day. And if you want to purchase any of the products mentioned here, you can go visit BeReady.com. I'm pretty sure they're having a sale right now. The backpack itself, I think, is like only $70 right now, when it's originally like $100. So go check it out. See ya.